Most Renko traders are not failing because Renko does not work. They're failing because they're using Renko randomly. They change brick sizes until the chart looks good. They treat every reversal as a signal. They look for the perfect setting. They ignore conditions. They ignore execution. They ignore risk. And then they blame the chart. That is not how I use Renko. And that is exactly why I'm running a fresh live ultimate Renko trading workshop on Saturday the 6th of June. It's not a rehash, it's not a replay of the old Renko masterclasses. It's how I do Renko trading now. The first thing to understand is that Renko is not magic. It does not remove risk. It does not predict the future. It does not turn every market into an easy trend following machine. What Renko can do is help clean up price movement. It can remove a lot of time-based noise and help you see structure more clearly. But a cleaner chart is not automatically a good trade. You still need judgment. You still need risk control. You still need execution rules. You still need to understand whether the market conditions actually support the setup. One of the biggest mistakes I see traders make with Renko is brick sizing. Most traders look for the brick size that makes the historical chart look best. That's dangerous. A smaller brick size gives you more signals, more reversals, more sensitivity and more noise. A larger brick size gives you cleaner structure but fewer trades, wider risk and slower entry. So the real question is not what is the best Renko brick size. The better question is what is the brick size trying to measure. That is a much more serious way to think about Renko. Another major mistake is treating Renko as a signal machine. Green brick buy, red brick sell, 2 brick reversal, press the button. That is too simplistic. A Renko pattern does not mean much without context. Where is the market? What is the trend condition? Is the market clean or choppy? Where is the stop? What would invalidate the setup? Is the trade early, late or already extended? Renko can help you read structure, but does not replace trading judgment. Used properly, it should sharpen your decision making, not turn you into a pattern chaser. This is one of the biggest things most traders miss. There are good Renko conditions and bad Renko conditions. In good conditions, Renko can show clean directional movement, controlled pullbacks, structured reversals and clearer risk zones. In bad conditions, Renko can chop you to pieces, and you can have a chart that maybe looks busy, active and full of signals, but the actual trade quality is poor. And that is why conditioned reading matters. And a serious Renko trader needs to understand when Renko is giving useful structure and when it is just printing noise. So this is exactly what I'm going to cover in the Ultimate Renko Trading Workshop. This is a fresh live workshop based on how I use Renko today. We will cover how I think about Renko now, what I believe Renko is really showing you, how I use brick sizing, what I need to see before I trust a Renko setup, my favourite Renko strategies and setups, and how I read good Renko conditions versus bad Renko conditions. We'll also cover risk, execution, workflow, and how Renko can progress into automation. So this is not just about looking at nice charts, it's about building a more serious Renko trading framework. Now, 2 ticket options. The standard ticket is £99. That gives you the full workshop, the recording and slides afterwards, the PDF of Renko Chart Trading Revolution, 1 month of Renko Lab and 20% off the Renko Masterclass 2025-26 bundle for 7 days after purchase. Now, the VIP ticket is £169. That gives you everything in standard plus the VIP Renko Q&A and Chart Clinic after the main workshop. 6 months of Renko Lab, 50% off the Renko Masterclass 25-26 bundle for 7 days after purchase, and access to buy Renko Bot Build, the course, the e-course, for £99 instead of £199 until Sunday the 14th of June. VIP, by the way, limited to just 25 seats. So if you want the deeper session, the Q&A, the Chart Clinic and the stronger bonus package, VIP is the obvious route. And if you cannot attend live, arrive late or miss part of the workshop, that's not a problem. You still receive the full recording and slides afterwards, so you don't lose the value if you cannot be there for every minute live. So obviously, attending live is best, especially if you're a VIP and want to be part of the Q&A Chart Clinic. But if life gets in the way, you're still covered. So if you want to stop using Renko randomly and start thinking about it properly, this is the workshop to attend. Saturday, 6th of June, 2026. The main workshop starts at 1 PM UK and runs for 3.5 hours. The VIP Renko Q&A and chart clinic runs afterwards. Remember, standard ticket £99, VIP £169, and limited to 25 places. So book your place now at www.TheStopHunter.co.uk, and that's coming up on the screen now. So there you go, the Ultimate Renko Trading Workshop now live, tickets available. Like I said, check out the description below the video for links to those tickets, and I'd love to see you there.